Some channels you see on YouTube that perhaps have reached or crossed the YouTube Partner Program threshold may not be monetized after all. So I'm going to explain some of the reasons and how you can know if a channel is monetized. So if you're new here, you are welcome. I'm your tech informant, and I do share valuable tips that help creators on YouTube to reach their goals on this platform. So if you love watching content like this, let's start a long-term relationship by subscribing to this channel. You won't believe that some channels with so many subscribers and views are not making money from ads placed on their videos. I will share some of the reasons that could be the cause. First, some channels decide not to turn on monetization on their videos, which means they are not interested in ad revenue. An example of this channel is the Vid IQ channel. Until sometime in 2022, they turn off monetization on their videos. Though I don't know for now, I'm going to give you guys an update on this when I get the feedback from them in the coming weeks. And I will share it with you guys on the community tab. So for this reason, the ads placed on their over 1,500 videos on their channel with 130 million views are not monetized. They are not receiving any money from the ads placed on these videos. So, and these views, that's over 130 million views is worth over $600,000. Yes, they choose not to monetize them. Another reason is that a channel may lose its monetization status when it has been dormant for at least 6 months without uploading a video or post in the community tab. So after they have been demonetized because of this incident, they won't earn from ads placed on their video. When YouTube monetization algorithm changes, it could affect some channels that were previously monetized. So a channel should be concerned about this if they upload contents like violence, vulgarity, and sensitive topics on their channel, because what was eligible for monetization could later be considered as inappropriate or unsuitable for advertisers. You get the point. Some channels choose to leave the YouTube Partner Program or even decide not to join in the first place. So for this reason, they will not make money from ads placed on their videos. So these are some of the reasons why some channels are not making money from ads placed on their videos. And the most problematic one is the one that relates to AdSense. Some channels that are eligible for monetization are having issues with their AdSense application or their AdSense account. So I'm hosting an AdSense Masterclass on the 9th of December for new content creators on YouTube and those having issues monetizing their channel with AdSense. I will share a lot about how to fix or rectify issues related to your channel's monetization process down to receiving your first payment from your AdSense payment method. So the value you will get from this masterclass, you can't find this type of content about AdSense anywhere on the internet. So if you're having issues with your AdSense application or with your YouTube channel, just secure a space in this masterclass. You can click the first link in the description and then you get more details about it. Now, if you want to know if a channel is monetized, you can find out by using a feature in the Vid IQ browser extension. So with this feature, you can know if a channel is monetized or not by an icon that is placed after the channel's name. Unfortunately, this feature is currently not working well. So I reached out to Vid IQ and they confirmed the situation and said it was because of a policy change at YouTube, and their engineers are working towards fixing it in the coming weeks. So I will keep you guys posted when new updates or when something new comes out. So if you want to download the Vid IQ app, you can check the link in the description so that you will have access to these features. Now, I want to ask, if you have a very big channel with thousands of subscribers, will you still continue to upload videos if the channel is demonetized? I would like to know your answers in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a like, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.